Well, certainly a little cooler out today than, not as cool as it was early last week, but not bad out there this evening.
Yeah, it was not bad. We are looking at the possibility of some fog tomorrow morning.
Okay.
So, but it'll still warm up.
Right.
We're a little high today, actually above average. But when you have this humidity around like we did with the fog and it burns off, evaporative cooling, that's what it's called.
Okay.
And it keeps things a little bit cooler, at least it feels that way, especially on the beach. Art Conforti getting this sunset, a beautiful one that you see right there. A nice sunset from Art, always sending in some great photos. And as far as temperatures go right now up and down the coast, fairly mild, but the dew point temperatures are still staying high right now, upper 60s. And typically our dew point temperatures are into the low 60s at this time. So once again, we are looking at pretty nice weather expected tomorrow, with a better chance for the fog to burn off a little sooner, I believe, tomorrow. As far as our temperatures go, right now, currently at the airport, it's 71. The dew point is at 68. Winds out of the north-northeast, light at 5 miles an hour. The pressure is still way up there, 30.09 inches. And we have a few low clouds starting to develop already. Now, 82 degrees the high today. Is 1 degree above the average. 67 was the morning low, and 62 was our average low. So it does get a little cooler than it has been over the past couple of mornings. No rainfall to report. It's been dry and will stay that way, too. It looks like throughout much of this week and beyond, temperatures for lows tonight will be about 5 degrees above average near the coast, with some low clouds hanging around just after sunrise. And then burning off by midday. We'll see another nice sunny afternoon, it looks like, as a result of high pressure building. And get a look at the forecast for Tuesday. High temperatures warming into the low 80s for the most part. There'll be some mid 80s in places like Lakewood Ranch, Arcadia, as well as into Wauchula, east of I-75. As far as the temperature forecast goes, as we take you through time tomorrow, look at this. By 1 o'clock, we'll be at 83 at the Sarasota Braden Airport, at least near there. 84 in Orlando. Temperatures 85 in Naples and Fort Myers, could get as high as 86 degrees. And then tomorrow night will be a warm one. Temperatures around 9 will be into the mid 70s, and that chance for fog will exist again tomorrow night. We're not going to get out of this pattern anytime soon. Future winds will be light overnight, anywhere from 5 miles an hour up to 10 throughout the day tomorrow. A little higher in the afternoon, so boaters beware. The winds will pick up a little bit in the afternoon, about 15 knots. Now, in the tropics, we have a newly formed and a newly named storm now, Rina. It's out in the Atlantic. It's pushing off to the northeast. You can see that cluster of storms developing there. A lot of it is pushing off to the east as a result of some shear going on, but just enough energy to create a tropical storm. And here we go. It's headed off into the North Atlantic. Top winds are at 40 miles an hour. The name is Rina, and its movement now is off to the north at 7 miles an hour. The pressure at 1,010. That's falling slightly at this time, and it will continue to move off into the north and then northeast in time, dissipating in the North Atlantic over some very cold water there. So interesting to see a storm develop in November. We get a storm once every 2 years developing in the month of November. Let's hope that's the last one, but I doubt it. I think we'll see one more before the season is all said and done. Well, this storm is bringing some snowfall to near Chicago, some snow flurries, if you will, stretching to South Bend all the way over to Fort Wayne, and then Toledo getting some rain-snow mix there. And in Colorado, just someone on Facebook, in fact, following us and watching us, is saying that they're getting ready for some snow into central Colorado there overnight. Well, temperatures are on the cooler side over the Great Lakes. Toronto 39, Pittsburgh 38, Detroit at 40 degrees, Green Bay at 34, but a single digit now. This is in Billings, Montana. That's where that Arctic air is. It's going to stay to the north. It's not making an advance down to the south, although in Oklahoma it's 44 degrees there in Oklahoma City, 68 in Atlanta, and 70 now in New Orleans. Well, for boaters tomorrow, I mentioned the winds picking up in the afternoon. They'll start off at 5 to 10 knots out of the northeast, switching to the northwest. Could be some dense sea fog out there once again, and the water temperature now at 74 degrees. As far as the tides go, here they are on the screen. The next high tide will be at 12:51, and another low tide at 9:31 in the morning. Tonight, fog developing, mostly clear, warm temperatures, 69 for your low, and then for tomorrow, we'll start off with a little bit of cloudiness around, some fog, if you will, then 82 by the afternoon, and looks like more the same expected for Wednesday and into Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday. Slight chance for showers comes on Sunday and Monday. Not bad, just a little bit above average temperatures.